So today we are discussing chapter 1 of history. Is there any doubt in that particular chapter? Is there any doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है उस चैप्टर में?
Power sharing.
We were discussing about the power sharing. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. कोई doubt नहीं.
कोई
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Okay. So, in particular chapter, we discuss about how we need to share the powers, है ना? क्या हुआ भाई, सब चुप पड़ गए?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So, पावर शेयरिंग है ना. पावर शेयरिंग में अगर हम पावर शेयरिंग देखें तो हम पावर शेयरिंग कितने प्रकार से कर सकते हैं? पावर शेयरिंग जो होता है, देयर वुड बी गवर्नमेंट पावर शेयरिंग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट पावर शेयरिंग. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स वी कैन डू दैट? और व्हाट आर द different forms of power sharing in the modern democracy?
Ma'am, three, ma'am. Three.
Board is properly visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question I asked is, what are the different forms of power sharing? Please note down the question, all of you. What are the different forms of power sharing in modern democracy? है ना? In a simple form, I just asked, what are the forms of power sharing? Fine. Children, if we are writing for it 5 marks, ठीक है? In this way, I am trying to teach you कि how to write answer for 5 marks. Fine. Different forms of power sharing. यही है क्वेश्चन. यही क्वेश्चन पूछा है ना मैंने? आप लोग यस नो कुछ नहीं बोलोगे?
Ma'am, ma'am, board is not visible
Board is not visible.
properly, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सबको ऐसा लग रहा है कि बोर्ड इज नॉट विजिबल प्रॉपरली. अरिहंत,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's not visible properly.
now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me open the window. अब ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
शाइनी तो नहीं लग रहा?
बोर्ड ब्लर भी हो रहा है, शाइन भी हो रहा है.
Hopefully now it is okay. अब ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So, first is horizontal division of power sharing. ठीक है? हमको 5 मार्क्स के आंसर कैसे लिखने हैं वो देखो. फर्स्ट थिंग इज हॉरिजॉन्टल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग. So what we are going to give in our answer, first of all we need to jot down all the points as synopsis. It is known as synopsis. Okay, horizontal division of power. बताओ कोई क्या होता है हॉरिजॉन्टल? गौरव, गौरव सर।
Yes, ma'am.
देन
Ma'am,
सेकंड, हाँ
in this form of power sharing, power is shared among three organs of the government, which is executive.
जुडिशरी, है ना। सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग इज वर्टिकल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर, है ना। दूसरा हम कैसे करते हैं, वर्टिकल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर। लुक एट हियर, हॉरिजॉन्टल मतलब लेफ्ट।
मैम फर्स्ट वाला एक बार रिपीट करो ना।
हाँ, I will explain बेटा, I will explain. First of all, let me
Yes,
jump
ma'am.
all the points. Okay. Horizontal division.
Okay, ma'am.
मतलब इसमें पार क्या होगा, इक्वली, कोई किसी के ऊपर नीचे नहीं होगा, तो कैसे होगा, साइड बाय साइड, है ना। जैसे हमारा क्या होता है, लेजिस्लेचर, ठीक है, फिर कौन होता है, एग्जीक्यूटिव, और कौन होता है, जुडिशरी,
जुडिशरी।
है ना। इसमें
यस मैम।
लेजिस्लेचर है वो किसी के अंडर में नहीं है, एग्जीक्यूटिव किसी के अंडर में नहीं है, जुडिशरी कोई, ये तीनों अपने अपने एरियाज में इंडिविजुअल काम करते हैं, तो ये कहलाता है हॉरिजॉन्टल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर। नेक्स्ट होता है वर्टिकल डिवीजन। वर्टिकल मतलब ऊपर से।
Ma'am, power sharing is between the level of government, that is union, state, and local government.
Good. The sharing of power among the government in the different levels. It is different tiers. It is different levels. है ना। सबसे पहले कौन सा होता है हमारा, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। फिर कौन सा आ जाएगा, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, और लास्ट में क्या आ जाएगा,
लोकल गवर्नमेंट।
यस, लोकल गवर्नमेंट।
लोकल।
यूनियन सबसे बड़ा है, फिर स्टेट उससे छोटा है, फिर लोकल सबसे छोटा है। तो ये हो गया हमारा वर्टिकल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग। आप लोगों ने दो बोला। थर्ड इज डिवीजन ऑफ पावर अमंग द सोशल ग्रुप्स। डिवीजन ऑफ पावर अमंग द सोशल ग्रुप। थर्ड हमारा जो डिवीजन होता है वो क्या होता है, डिवीजन द पावर इन द सोशल ग्रुप। रिमेंबर द स्टोरी ऑफ श्रीलंका, है ना।
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter we discuss about through the story of Sri Lanka, we got to know about the division the power among the social group. क्या हो रहा है खाना खाना? Are you noting it down? Social
Ma'am,
groups.
after the it is not visible, ma'am. Can you write?
Please note it down if it is not visible. I am telling also division the power among the social groups. Division the power among the social groups. So in such type of division, power can also be shared among the different group which differs socially. How socially? The system of community government, है ना। बेल्जियम में क्या हुआ था, कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट बने थे कि नहीं बने थे। दिस गवर्नमेंट इज टू वन लैंग्वेज कम्युनिटी। डच, याद करो, डच, फ्रेंच एंड जर्मन। यस, ये होता है कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट। यस,
Yes, ma'am.
अक्सर ऐसा वाला डिवीजन हमको साउथ इंडिया में देखने को मिलता है। इंडिया लास्ट हमारा पावर शेयरिंग होता है डिवीजन ऑफ पावर बिटवीन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, प्रेशर ग्रुप्स एंड मूवमेंट्स। डिवीजन ऑफ पावर्स बिटवीन द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। हाउ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज? सम पार्टी आर नेशनल पार्टी, सम पार्टी आर, हाँ बेटा।
Ma'am, like power is more with the ruling party and less with the opposition party.
Of course, ruling
And
नेशनल पार्टी, स्टेट पार्टी, हमारे पास लैंग्वेज बेस्ड पार्टी, बहुत सारी चीजें। तो ये जो पावर होता है, ये जो पावर डिवीजन होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस होता है। इट इज नोन एज डिवीजन ऑफ पावर बिटवीन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। लास्ट वाली division of power. Are you noting it down, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Between political parties. As Gaurav said, कि some party are ruling party, some parties are opposition party, है ना? तो political parties mainly, है ना? In chapter of political parties we discussed about that political parties are the organizations which aim to control power by contesting elections. ठीक है? Just because we people are living in a democratic country and we have the power to choose our representatives through different political parties or among the different political parties, which does ensure that the power does not remain in one hand. ठीक है, हम सबको पता है कि हमारी प्रायोरिटी क्या है, हमारी चॉइस क्या है, हम किसको पसंद करते हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम क्या करते हैं, अपने लिए एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चूज करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? इसी में एक और कॉमा करके लगा सकते हैं, प्रेशर ग्रुप्स एंड मूवमेंट्स, डिवीजन ऑफ पावर ऑफ बिटवीन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, कॉमा, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट आप लोग लिख सकते हैं प्रेशर ग्रुप्स एंड मूवमेंट्स. Okay, so this is the way how we need to write questions for what 5 marks. This is known as synopsis. ये आपको समझाने के लिए लिखा था, ये आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is known as synopsis. Need to make this. Now whatsoever we discuss topic wise, अब वो हमको यहाँ पे लिखना है. If you write in this manner, okay children, if you will write in this manner your answers, कोई भी आपके मार्क्स नहीं काट पाएंगे, कोई भी जो चेकर है वो आपके मार्क्स नहीं काट पाएंगे. Is it clear? Yes, Gaurav?
Ma'am, can you once explain the pressure groups and movements?
Sure, why not? Here, the division between the political parties or pressure groups and movement, as you told, कि we have political parties in form of ruling party or the opposition party. Opposition parties always make pressure on ruling party. है ना? The biggest example of our country is now at present. क्या हो रहा है? किसके ऊपर प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है दिल्ली में?
फार्मर्स बिल.
Yes, फार्मर्स बिल के ऊपर प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है. तो प्रेशर कौन बना रहा है? अपोजिशन लोग बना रहे हैं, है ना? रूलिंग पार्टी कौन है? सत्ता पे अभी कौन है?
यस मैम.
गवर्नमेंट है. बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर अगर जो कांग्रेस है उसके सपोर्टर्स हैं, वो क्या कर रहे हैं? प्रेशर बना रहे कि बिल वापस लो. तो हर पार्टी का अपना जो पावर होता है, उनके पास एक लिमिटेशंस होते हैं, उनका अपना एक पावर होता है. इज इट क्लियर? प्रेशर ग्रुप्स एंड मूवमेंट्स, इसमें मूवमेंट्स कौन सा आ गया? प्रोटेस्ट जो कर रहे हैं, दैट इज नोन एज मूवमेंट. यस, सो द प्रेशर ग्रुप्स एंड मूवमेंट्स आल्सो शेयर गवर्नमेंट पावर, either through the participation in government through the government committees or by influencing the decision making process. अभी क्या है डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस? कैसे हम बोल सकते हैं? Nowadays we can say it how they want to change the decision taken by the government. Yes or no? So this is pressure party or the movement. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. All clear, children? Is there any doubt in this question, power sharing?
No, ma'am.
नो मैम.
अगर
No, ma'am.
अगर कोई भी चाहे 1 मार्क का हो, 3 मार्क का हो, 5 मार्क का हो, हमको बिंदास लिखने का. ठीक है? Now the next question. How many of you have noted down the question? While I am explaining, it's your duty to note down all the questions and answers. Good. Raj, खुशी बोथरा, और किसने किसने लिखा? बस 2 लोगों ने लिखा है. गौरव, good. And what about the others? Okay, beta, Karu. It's a gentle reminder.
Ma'am, I also wrote, but my webcam is not working.
Okay, I have you also. You have also written.
Yeah.
So it's a gentle reminder, children. After 8th of February, none of your art integration and the submission of notebook would be accepted. So send it me fast as soon as possible. ठीक है? Today is 5th already. We don't have time. ठीक है? अपना आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन जितनी जल्दी हो सके भेजो. एंड मंडे इज द डेट ऑफ सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर, सॉल्विंग द सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ एसएसटी. Clear? I will send question paper of SST by 2 o'clock on your groups, and you have to send it to back to me. Wait minute. Send it to back to me by 5 o'clock. 3 hours through Google Sheet. Sorry, Google Form. I will send you link.
Ma'am, at 3 o'clock tuition is there, ma'am. 3 to 5 tuition is there. मैम हम लोग बाद में भी सबमिट कर सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं,
कोचिंग
अगर लुक एट हियर, अगर आपने वो क्वेश्चन पेपर 5 बजे तक नहीं दिया तो 5:30 बजे तक हमको प्रिंसिपल मैम को रिपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा कि कौन कौन से बच्चों का नहीं आया है. ठीक है? जिन बच्चों का नहीं आया है उनके लिए फिर स्कूल से कॉल जाएगा, लेटर जाएगा. सो डोंट मेक सच टाइप ऑफ रैपर्स. Try to solve it and send it to me by 5 o'clock.
Ma'am, so when you will post the question paper in the group?
By Monday is the date for day for SST, so I will post it 1:55 or 2 in all 3 groups of your class group, 9th, 9B, sorry, 10th, 10B and 10C.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? इस सेशन में आप लोगों से मिला नहीं तो दिमाग में वो 9th, 9B रह गया. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, that's why I'm telling you, prepare yourself for the sample question paper. And children, one more request is there, please don't cheat. वो 3 घंटे आपके लिए है, टाइम मैनेजमेंट करिए. नहीं आता है वो क्वेश्चन छोड़ दीजिए, आप उसको बाद में देख के पढ़िए और प्रैक्टिस कॉपी में लिखिए. ठीक है? State one prudential reason. Note it down. State one prudential reason and one moral reason for power sharing with an example from Indian context. अब आपको ये क्या करना है? Indian context के ऊपर आपको इसको अप्लाई करना है. State one prudential reason and one moral reason for power sharing. मैं इसको लिख देती हूँ बोर्ड पे. And after this, you want to learn, you want to study geography, agriculture. Okay. So the question number 2 is state one prudential reason. And one moral reason for power sharing with an example. ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट और किसी और का लेंगे आप लोग? इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बोलो. चलिए, नाउ रिप्लाई. Yes, children, I'm waiting for your response. Who will reply this? Power sharing helps in the reducing the conflict between various social groups. Maintaining the spirit of democracy is considered as a moral reason of power sharing. Yes, Kushi, this answer is given by Kushi Bothra. That is absolutely right. She is saying here power sharing helps in reducing the conflict between various social groups. Maintaining the spirit of democracy is considered as a moral reason of power sharing. Good. Prudential reason. Who will tell the answer of prudential reason? No one. अरे नहीं बना तो बोलो ना मैम आप बोल दीजिए।
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
It is written over here beta on the board. State one prudential reason and one moral reason for power sharing with an example from India context.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, prudential reason helps to avoid the conflicts between social group,
That is
and
prudential reason. Yes.
ma'am, and the moral reason is that power sharing is that which upholds the spirit of the democracy and make a peace in the country,
Hmm.
make the peace in the country and the government and the citizen.
Good. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. ठीक है? So the prudential reason to solve conflicts, moral reason to solve जितने भी हमारे social problem होते हैं वो, ठीक है? She is saying Parliament is the best example of prudential reason of power sharing in India. Next question. What is the state religion of Sri Lanka? What is the state religion of Sri Lanka?
Ma'am, Sinhala.
Sinhala was a state religion, beta.
Ma'am, Tamil.
No.
Ma'am, Hindu.
Sinhala people क्या थे? Most of Sinhala people were the Buddhist.
Buddhist.
So आपका state religion क्या होगा? What was the state?
Buddhist.
Buddhism. Buddhism
Yes,
was
ma'am.
state religion. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Don't confuse. Which measure
Yes, ma'am.
adopted by the democratically elected government to the establish Sinhala supremacy? Which measure adopted by the democratically elected government to establish Sinhala supremacy?
Ma'am, the majority of Sinhala in the country.
Yes, so क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Majoritarian, है ना?
Indian government.
अभी okay. चलो बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन. Which community was rich in Belgium? Which community was rich in Belgium?
French.
Yes.
French.
French speaking community was very rich in Belgium.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharing is a true spirit of democracy. Justify the statement. This question I have given in your pre-board first. Power sharing is the true spirit of democracy. Justify the statement. ये आपका
Ma'am, because it reduces conflict.
Yes, Arihan.
Ma'am, it reduces conflict.
Introduce conflict.
Yes, ma'am.
Power sharing is a true spirit of democracy. इसमें क्या होगा? Introduce conflict. It resolve.
No, ma'am. It reduced conflict.
It reduce conflicts. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
और खुशी?
मैम इसमें सबका ओपिनियन रहता है.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही है. और
मैम इसमें बोलते हैं बेटर फॉर्म वाला, अब इसमें बेटर फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रहता है.
Ma'am, people have the right to know that how they are governed on and what basis they are governed.
Yes, people have a right to consulted on how they are to be governed. They are means they are government.
Yeah.
Yes, means all of you have your own views. That is very good. Okay, what is majoritarianism? How has it increased in the feelings of alienation among Sri Lanka Tamil? Explain with example. Majoritarianism जो है उसका example बताइए, पहले explain करिए और फिर उसका example बताइए.
And majoritarian government is a government which is formed by the community who is in a majority in a country.
Good.
And the example is about Sri Lanka, that there were 79% of the citizen of Sri Lanka were Sinhala, and as a majority they took their community as the supremacy in the country.
No. हाँ ठीक है.
Act was passed through which the Sinhala speaking people have got the Sinhala speaking people have got more education and job security and policy. And Sinhala was also declared as the official language of Sri Lanka.
Good. Okay. Apart from central and state governments, which is the third type of government practiced in Belgium? Apart from central and state government, which is the third type of government practiced in Belgium?
Ma'am, community government which see in the education, healthcare and other facility of the country.
Very good. Good going. Fine. So it means there isn't any doubt in this chapter. There isn't any doubt. अब आप लोग का कोई डाउट हो आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं क्या?
नो मैम. मैम हम लोग कभी
हाँ आर्यन बोलो क्या बोल रहे हो? यस आर्यन.
मैम अपन हिस्ट्री कब चालू करेंगे?
जब आप लोग बोलो, बट आप यू डिसाइड टू रिवाइज चैप्टर एग्रीकल्चर ना.
मैम के बाद हम हिस्ट्री चालू कर ले क्या मैम? मंडे से
हिस्ट्री. यू वांट टू स्टार्ट हिस्ट्री फ्रॉम मंडे?
यस मैम, बहुत सारे डाउट है मैम हिस्ट्री में.
So okay, we will start history from Monday. All
Okay,
of
ma'am.
you are agreed? All of you are agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Okay.
we will start history. Okay, Monday को क्या करना है? एक और चीज आप लोगों को.
यस मैम. मैम लेसन 2 में नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया.
नहीं.
Sample paper.
Yes, सैंपल पेपर हमको सबमिट करना है हर हाल में.
यस मैम.
अननेसेसरली 20 मार्क के साथ आप लोग खिलवाड़ मत करिए बेटा. 20 मार्क जो टीचर्स के हाथ में, इंटरनल मार्क्स, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. सपोज यू गॉट 50 इन योर रिटन क्वेश्चन पेपर, आउट ऑफ 80 यू गेट 50 and 20 marks internal. Both the Mahek Chopra, please keep on your video. Mahek Chopra 536 and one is Mahek Chopra 536. दोनों सेम नाम से है. दोनों अपना वीडियो ऑन करेंगे एक बार. यस महक, जिसने अपना वीडियो ऑन किया अपना हैंड रेज करो बेटा. प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. Okay, another one is left. Fine. Put it. Yes.
Ma'am, in that internal 20 marks, there is also the marks of practical, no?
Practical, it is for science only, submission of your all the art integration and all. But for SST, 4 columns are there na. Have you ever observed, have you ever seen the boards mark sheet? One column is for your submission of copy notebook. Second column is for your subject enrichment, that is art integration. Third column is your correction of copies, and fourth column is for your portfolio. So whatsoever your certificates are there, that is your portfolio part. Got it? So in this time, because all the things are going virtually, CBSE has decided that all the art integration, note submission, and sample paper submission, this will be included as your internal marks. That's why we are chasing too much to you people. Got it? So be ready for that. And Taru, while making PDF, be proper beta कि कितने पेज के PDF हमारे जा रहे हैं. Is it clear to all of you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what measure was adopted by the demo? ये तो हमने अभी डिसाइड किया, जस्ट डिस्कस किया. एक important क्वेश्चन और इस चैप्टर में, that is what is mean by the system of check and balances. Checks and balances. What is mean by the system of checks and balances?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
What is mean by checks and balances?
Ma'am, check and balance is between the level of the government. Ma'am, executive checks the judiciary. Ma'am, in all three parts like judiciary, executive, and
Legislature.
legislature, ma'am, they all monitor each other.
Yes, very good. And they check this, each organ checks each other. है ना? No, just I told you कि कोई किसी के अंडर में नहीं है, but एक दूसरे के काम को हमेशा चेक करते रहते हैं कि वो it is properly being or not. So it is known as check and balances. Fine. So hopefully in this chapter, no doubt, let me check कुछ और important question छूटा तो नहीं है. Vertical division is okay. All the things are there. What I was going to ask about is something very important I want.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we have the classes in the continuation, because ma'am, in last to last class you have took the class, that Shipra ma'am has took the class. So ma'am, in the continuation, the flow of the
So
chapter,
I
ma'am,
will take classes for history, Paul, and economics. है ना? Shipra ma'am will take class for geography only.
So ma'am, if you are going with a chapter, so you take all the comings in a sequence, you take a class so that the chapter is completed. In between, like Shipra
but
ma'am
at
took
the
the class.
same time I have my own scheduled class. है ना? उसी समय पे मेरी क्लास दूसरी जगह होती है. तो ये कैसे पॉसिबल है कि बैलेंस? इसलिए तो बेटा हम बोलते हैं कि आप जब क्लास करते हो ना, अपने नोटबुक के साथ बैठो डेट वाइज कि मैम ने पिछली क्लास में क्या पढ़ाया था, अभी क्या पढ़ाएगा. तो हमको तो पता होता है कि हाँ अभी नाउ आई एम गोइंग इन 10C, लास्ट माय 10C व्हाट आई टॉट एंड नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू बी टॉट. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the pattern. But in
Okay.
first class you told me that you will you want to read about agriculture part. No issue, we will start history in the very next class. Okay, do you want to play Menti quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yes, ma'am, we will play.
Okay, so before starting history, I will come with your Menti quiz. ठीक है?
Ma'am, you can play. Ma'am, we can play tomorrow. Ma'am, we can play tomorrow.
Tomorrow I have class. Yes, I have. Fine.
No, ma'am.
Tomorrow we will play Menti quiz. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
tomorrow
which chapter you tell you will prepare?
Sorry.
After we will play Menti quiz.
Obvious, we are discussing about the part sharing, so we will discuss. We will play on the topic of part sharing only.
Okay, ma'am. We will prepare.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Saturday. You don't have class.
I don't have. So in a very next class, whatsoever.
Ma'am, but you can take extra classes, ma'am. We can attend.
Yeah, tomorrow I am not free, but I have back classes on Saturday. See, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Class on Tuesday.
no issue. What would be my very next class? We will play Menti quiz. But
Okay, ma'am.
only one condition is there. Please enter with your own name.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless you, children.